Hello and welcome back to the Maintask channel. I'm Michaela, and in today's video I will show you how to find and merge duplicate records in Salesforce. Duplicate data is one of the most common problems in a Salesforce org, and if you don't manage it properly, it can seriously affect reporting, automation, and user trust. In this video, we'll cover how to find duplicate records, how to merge them correctly, and a few tips to avoid duplicates in the future. So let's get started. There are a few ways to find duplicates in Salesforce. The simplest way is directly from a record. Open a contact or account record and look for the View Duplicates button. I have it in this related list. And once you open a duplicate record, you can also see this pop-up window that warns you that there is a potential duplicate. Another way is using reports. You can create a report and group the records by email to spot duplicates. An example can be seen here. Duplicate email. So when there are two or more records that have the same email address, you can be almost sure that they are duplicates because two people cannot have the same email. For more advanced setups, you can also use duplicate record sets, which Salesforce generates automatically when duplicate rules are triggered. An example report looks like this. Here we have 4 duplicate record sets that are based on the standard contact duplicate rule. Let's get back to our record. And before merging two records, you should always review the records carefully. Check fields like name, email, phone, or related records like opportunities or activities, and make sure that these are truly duplicates and not different people with similar information. To merge records, open one of the duplicates and click View Duplicates. Select the records to merge. You can select up to 3 at a time and then click Next. Now Salesforce will show you a comparison screen. Here you can choose which value to keep for each field. This is a very important step because Salesforce will combine the records, but only one value per field can be kept. In this case, I will choose the information from the first record because the other one seems to be quite empty. But if there was any valuable information to keep on the second record, I would just keep it by selecting it like this. But in this case, I want to maintain as many details as possible. And once you are ready, you can scroll down and click Merge and confirm. Now the potential duplicate warning is not visible anymore. And when we search for this person, you can see that there are still 2 records, but only one of them contain information. So I think this one is blank. When I click it, it seems that this record doesn't exist anymore. So that's correct. Let's get back to the previous one. You can see that all the information that was already there was conserved. So after merging, one record that you selected becomes the master record and the others are deleted. And related records like activities, notes, opportunities are moved to the master record. To prevent duplicates in the future, enable duplicate rules and matching rules. Require key fields like email and train users to search before creating a new record. Prevention is much easier than cleanup. And that's how you find and merge duplicate records in Salesforce. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.